I don't know how I get here every single month. I swear I post like one of these videos all the time. I'm a hot mess. It's a problem now. Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I am totally stuck in a rut. It's seriously me just self-sabotaging so many things and overanalyzing, overthinking everything in my life, and I've just gotten myself in this rut and I really want to try and get out of it. It's not like there's one thing that I can really pinpoint of why I feel like this. It's like a magnitude of things, and I think the first step to trying to make myself feel better is to just honestly declutter my entire room. I've been trying to get rid of things lately too. I just kind of am stressed with all this clutter around, and I want to try and get rid of things, organize, and maybe rearrange my room. I have lately been selling things on my Poshmark, which if you guys aren't following my Poshmark closet, it's Nicoletta XO. It will be linked down below for you guys if you guys want to check anything out and purchase anything. I always welcome offers, of course. Guarantee you this is going to take me so long to finish cleaning because I think this is the worst my room has been yet. But hopefully you guys enjoy, because I know there's someone out there that is sitting there procrastinating cleaning your room and your room's a mess, and I'm telling you it will make you feel so much better. I'm not looking forward to cleaning it all, but once it's done I'm gonna feel so good. So I'm probably gonna do a long montage for you guys. I currently am watching the challenge from MTV, as you can tell in my cluttered, disgusting mess. And yeah, so I'm going to really try and organize everything and get everything looking good. Thumbs up if you guys like this video, it really helps me out. Don't forget to subscribe to join my YouTube family. I upload weekly, and it would honestly make my day so much better. So first things first, I am just in comfy casual clothes. I just have my leggings, I have my boyfriend's t-shirt on, and I'm probably gonna end up throwing my hair up at some point because this is just going to stress the heck out of me. I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna pick up the stuff that should be on my bed. As always, I'm just going to make my bed to start off, just so I get that out of the way and I can pick up all the random like blankets and pillows on my floor. And then we are going to have to tackle the rest of this mess. just got serious. I put my hair up in a bun because I was just getting way too hot. But now that I moved, oh my god, my room just sounds so echoey now. So now that I moved the two little nightstands there, I am actually gonna go ahead and just remove everything in my drawers because as you can tell, it's a mess. This one's like the only clean drawer, but I just want to remove everything before I go ahead and I move this over here. I cleaned all of the insides. Unfortunately, there are stains. I've had this desk for so long since I was younger, so there are some like arts and crafts stains. For now, I just put most of the stuff in my desk like around here, up here, and I'm just gonna get rid of probably half of this or more and put different things, which you'll see. But now I'm just going to unplug my computer and then change the desk around. Good morning, loves. So today is day 2, as you can tell by the outfit change and the hair change. I didn't finish cleaning last night just because the sun was starting to go down a little bit. Your girl was exhausted. I left everything the way it was, so I have to still finish the dressers and then as well as get rid of the things here and organize it. But for the most part, I pretty much organized a lot. As you can tell, we have another MTV show playing right now, but I'm loving how things are starting to turn out. So let's go finish the rest of the cleaning. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so happy I rearranged my room. I love how it turned out. Thumbs it up if you guys liked it and you want me to do more cleaning videos, and let me know. Share it with your friends and click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family, as well as the bell to get notified every single time I upload, which is every single week. If you're watching this still and you haven't cleaned your room, go ahead, clean your room. Don't procrastinate. I'm telling you, you'll feel so much better once it's done. But on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!